So here what is the auxiliary equation is m cube minus 7m plus 6 equal to 0. You can do it in calculator, no problem, but show it by synthetic division. Okay. So which value? I think so m equal to 1 satisfies. It is very clear. How to write the coefficients? M cube is 1. What I have to write next? Whether I have to write 0 or minus 7?
0.
0, because it is m cube, m square coefficient, then the coefficient of m and the constant. Yeah. Multiply 0 plus 1 is 1. Minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. Into 1 is minus 6. So 0. Yeah. So you'll get m square plus m minus 6 equal to 0. Tell me the roots of this.
3 minus 2.
3 and minus 2. Okay. So what are the roots? Therefore, m equal to 1, minus 2 and 3.
Minus 3, 2.
Check minus 3 and
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
2.
2. No, 2 and minus 2.
2
Minus
and minus 3.
Okay.
Minus 3 and 2.
Now correct? Okay. Tell me the CF. How to write? Is it we have to write combined or we have to write all separate? Real and
Separate, ma'am.
distinct. Yeah, separate. How to write? C1 e raised to 1x, C2 e raised to 2x, C3 e raised to minus 3x. Okay, done. Now PI. Now tell me how many terms are there on RHS here?
4 terms.
There are 4 terms are there. Now, can you just take them in a way so that we can apply minimum number of cases? So if I want to do it, what terms I have to combine, or whether I have to take everything separate? All 4 separate.
1 minus x plus x square as one term and e to the power 2x as another term.
Very good. Whenever you have any x term given, so attach that constant also along with this. Otherwise, you have to take an extra step. Okay. So actually there are 4 terms, but this belongs to now only 2 cases. We can just split it as, we can take it as 2 terms. So how to write Pi? 1 upon d cube minus 7d plus 6 operating on what? 1 minus x plus x square, and then plus 1 upon d cube minus 7d plus 6 operating on e raised to 2x. I'll just take this as just equation 1, because here for if it is exponential or sine cos, we know we do the replacement there only. But when we deal with third case, what we do usually is is it like we replace it? What we perform a division,
Division.
right? So let us perform that division by the side, and later on we can substitute. So I'll find the value of this term separate, this term separate, and finally we'll substitute in equation 1. Okay? Yeah. Now let us go for a division. So what I have to write here? I have to write the numerator. How I should write? Whether I should write 1 minus x plus x square or
X square minus x plus 1.
Very good. So this dividend should be written such that decreasing power of x. So highest will come first, and then the last one is constant. Am I right? With the sign and everything, have I written correctly? Is it not x square minus x plus 1? Now, what I have to write here? Divisor. So divisor means denominator. How it should be written? Shall I start with d cube or 6?
6.
6. Okay, so start from the constant term, then go on increasing the power of d. Means next is d term and the last one is d cube term. Clear? Unless if you keep it in correct format, your answer will not be correct. Now, first thing, our intention is to cancel 1 by 1 term. Keep in mind. So I want below this x square only. Am I right? Don't take minus x square. What we want? Plus x square only. So you should adjust, you should take a quotient such that when you operate it on the first term, you should get it as x square. Am I right? So, is x square present in the first term? Check. No, correct. So I want a x square, multiply by that. Now, if you see the first term, if I take x square and just apply on 6, what will be the quantity? 6x square. So do you want a 6x square below this or only x square?
X square.
X square. So what is extra in 6x square?
6.
6. So that I don't want. Don't want, take it in the denominator. Hope clear? You just fix it with first term, that's all. Then the rest of the terms will think. Got it? Is this part clear, everyone? Very important thing. Very shortcut way. Understand? Very easy. Otherwise, very difficult. Okay. Take x square by 6 and operate on all the three terms of the divisor. X square by 6 into 6, very clear, x square. Next, minus 7 operating on 7d it is. D operating on the same quotient, x square by 6. So what is this? Minus 7 by 6 comes out. What is the derivative of x square?
2x.
2x. So what is the simplification? 2 ones are 2 threes are. Tell me the term. What is remaining?
7x by 3. Minus 7x by 3.
7x by 3. This should be written below x term, isn't it? Next, this is third order derivative. Okay. So just see, first derivative of x square is 2x. Second order derivative is 2. Third derivative of 2 will be what?
0.
0, correct?
0.
I will write it as plus 0 here. Suppose if it was d square term, you would have got some constant over here. Am I correct? Okay. Now let us simplify. What we do here after this step?
Changing the signs.
Change the sign. So this is plus, minus, this is minus, plus, not to worry, plus 0, minus 0 don't harm. X square and x square goes off. Okay, now this is minus into plus means whether we have to add or subtract.
Subtract.
Okay, so this is like minus 1 plus 7 by 3 is how much? Take LCM, it is
4x by 3.
4x by 3. Correct? Now, 1 plus 0 means you'll get it as 1. Okay? Am I there in the meeting?